welcome to Elite Auto Rides. Today, we're diving into the exciting updates of the 2025 Tesla Model Y Juniper. This refreshed model brings a host of enhancements that elevate both its aesthetics and performance. Starting with the exterior, the Model Y Juniper showcases a sleeker and more sophisticated look. The front end features a new lightbar setup, replacing the original headlight design, giving it a modern appearance. At the rear, a full-width lightbar reminiscent of the Cybertruck adds to its futuristic appeal. These design changes not only enhance the vehicle's visual appeal but also improve aerodynamics, contributing to better efficiency. Inside, Tesla has made significant upgrades to the Model Y's interior. A redesigned dashboard now seamlessly integrates into the door panels, creating a minimalist and cohesive look. The central touchscreen has been updated to a 15.4-inch display with higher resolution, offering sharper visuals and an improved user interface. Rear passengers haven't been overlooked, they now have access to an 8-inch touchscreen for climate controls and entertainment options, enhancing the overall passenger experience. Performance-wise, the Model Y Juniper doesn't disappoint. It's equipped with Tesla's 4th-generation electric motors, which are more compact and efficient. This upgrade contributes to a notable improvement in range, with the long-range variant now capable of traveling up to nearly 400 miles on a single charge. Additionally, a new 95 kWh battery pack further enhances its long-distance capabilities, making it a compelling choice for those seeking both performance and efficiency. Tesla has also introduced new color options for the Model Y Juniper, including Ultra Red and Stealth Gray, allowing customers to personalize their vehicles further. The inclusion of new ambient lighting enhances the cabin's lounge-like atmosphere, providing a more comfortable and luxurious feel. Material quality has been improved, with softer, more refined materials used throughout the interior, elevating the overall sense of comfort and luxury. Safety remains a priority for Tesla, and the Model Y Juniper incorporates advanced driver assistance systems. These systems include a front autopilot camera and blind spot monitoring, enhancing overall safety. Over-the-air updates allow the touchscreen to display lane change animations during self-driving, keeping drivers informed and engaged. The basic autopilot package is included as standard, with enhanced and full self-driving bundles available as optional upgrades for those seeking additional autonomous capabilities. Dimensionally, the new Model Y is 47 mm longer than its predecessor, resulting in increased boot space by 41 liters. This enhancement provides more practicality for daily use and long trips, catering to the needs of families and individuals alike. The rear seats have been elongated by 15 mm for added comfort, and the headrests are enlarged by 17 mm for improved support, ensuring a more comfortable ride for all passengers. In terms of pricing, the Model Y Juniper is available in the US starting at $59,990, which is about 25% more than the previous version. This price includes Tesla's full self-driving software, adding significant value for those interested in autonomous driving features. The vehicle has already launched in China, with deliveries expected to start in March, pending regulatory approval. Tesla has also begun taking orders in the US, Canada, and Europe, indicating a global rollout of this refreshed model. The Model Y has been a significant player in Tesla's lineup, being one of the top-selling vehicles globally. This refresh aims to maintain its competitive edge in the rapidly evolving electric vehicle market. With these updates, Tesla addresses both aesthetic and functional aspects, ensuring the Model Y Juniper meets the expectations of modern consumers seeking innovation, performance, and style. Thank you for joining us on this overview of the 2025 Tesla Model Y Juniper. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Elite Auto Rides for more updates on the latest automotive innovations.